Okay, welcome to this video. Post this here. I've actually ordered quite a lot of stuff. I'm waiting for a lot of different things, but only this one's arrived. So, here it is. Let's see what it is. Okay. Right, what have we got here? This looks like a USB UART cable. Yeah. I think this might be an FTDI. There might be an FTDI chip in there. And yeah. So there will be probably RX, TX, VCC and ground. And that will be useful because it means that I won't need a micro or mini USB cable anymore. I can just plug that into the PC or the laptop and this straight onto the pins of the microcontroller, like this for example. Plug that straight in there and it should make things a lot easier. So that's the first thing. We've got some NE555, so that's a timing IC. It's quite good. Some little push switches. 6 pins, that's interesting. Oh, they're not. Oh, yeah, they are latching. They're latching as well. Ah, that's useful. Okay. Some wire. Let's see if this is stranded or whether it's single core. I don't know. Let's have a look. It's stranded. Oh, that's useful. I needed some stranded stuff. I've got loads of single core. So I've got 2 of those. These are bases for SMT LEDs. Aluminium. Yeah, they're bases for LEDs. I don't know if I'm going to do much with those, but we'll see. And we've got some new style LEDs. That's quite interesting. I've never fiddled with these before. I think I will now, actually. I'll just put 3 volts on my power supply. 3 volts there. Oops. Now let's have a look. See how bright these are. 2.9. They're actually not that bright. See if we can increase the voltage a little bit. I don't know what volt. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they're about 3.3 volts. Okay, that's interesting. So I've got loads of those. And what's this? it an AT Tiny or something like that? It is. ST. Okay, it's an STM8S. So it's got a voltage regulator on it as well. So it's a controller, microcontroller, of course, but I don't know. I'll just zoom in a bit more so you can see that. Okay, so we've got that. And finally, this, which looks like an RFID kit. So I've got a card. Yeah, we've got a card. This looks like the... I don't know actually, I don't know what it is. I guess it must be the receiver. Yeah, so we've got a receiver. The chip on it is... well, I've never heard of it. NXP RC522. So... oh, it says there, RFID. Right. This will be the receiver. It's got a clock on it. And Mozy Mizo. So that's SPI. Oh, it's got SDA as well, so I squared C. So a little RFID thing. That's a transmitter. So you put it on there, and it can recognise the code off it. Sounds quite interesting. And that's all I've got today, but I'm waiting for loads more things. It's quite addictive, isn't it, really, this eBay? Because these things, you can get them so cheap, it's ridiculous. So I'll just show you again what I've got. Those items there. In a sec, I'll go on my laptop and I'll show you what I've got and how much. Okay, so in this video I thought I would show you the listings of where you can actually get these things from. So here's the first one. 50 pieces of white straw hat super bright LED. I paid 99p and it was free delivery. That's ridiculous, to be honest. That's just ridiculous, because I don't even know how they post it so cheap for that. In the UK it will cost it's around about 50p to send something first class to somewhere else in the country. So how they sell it for that price and deliver it for that price and make a profit on that is beyond me, but obviously they do, otherwise they wouldn't be doing it. So yeah, there's the first item. There's not much description on this one, so move on to the next one. 20 pieces of 1 watt 3 watt high power LED PCB aluminium star base. 99p, so that's about 5p each. And yeah, diameter, thickness, welding convenient, low thermal resistance, heat quickly fast. It's been anodized. Again, not much description. The next one, 20 pieces of latching 7x7mm mini tactile push button switch on off dip 6 pins. How much did I pay for this one? 99p for 20, again 5p each. It doesn't say much about that one. And again, it wouldn't really, it's just a switch. Ah no, this one's quite interesting. 99p again. So STM8S103F3P6 ARM STM8 minimum system development board module for Arduino. Easy development board, use micro USB cable supply compatible with smartphone lines, data lines, is simple and easy to get, but not USB mini line powered. USB mini line is not easy to find, has been gradually phased out. Other manufacturers of products are used in mini USB port. This is not applicable for customers. No idea what all that's about, but I think he's trying to say that this is micro USB and not mini USB. Yeah. Low price, a full set of data, allowing you to save money, save time, effort, worry. Input voltage of 5 to 15, that's quite interesting. Support swim debug mode. Oh, I think I know what that is. Provide IAR, STVD, two development environments, UART, UART receive, blah 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 blah. Okay, that's quite an interesting buy for 99p anyway. Next one is the timers. I bought these because I wanted to have a play about with timers and you know, just for a couple of videos really. It was coming useful for something. 99p again for 20. That's just ridiculous. Ah no, £1.50. That's so cheap. One piece card read antenna RFID reader IC card proximity module. Um, 13.56 megahertz. Here are the specs. Sleep current less than 18 microamps. Peak current less than 30 milliamps. Data transfer rate maximum 10 megabits per second. That's interesting. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Bye.